Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making the ultimate snack, cheese pennies. These are those little cheddar cheese crisps that you would have. You might have them with a cocktail, as they used to do in the 1950s. Today, you could serve them with salsa. You could serve them with extra cheese dip. You could serve them with guacamole. You could just eat them during the day because they are a high protein snack. We like that. I'm also making them because cheddar cheese crisps so good with anything under the sky. Yeah, they go with everything or nothing. They're delicious. This recipe is ridiculously easy. Throw the ingredients together, roll it in a log, stick it in the freezer for a bit, preheat your oven to 400 degrees, slice and bake. You're done. Yum! 2 cups grated cheddar cheese. Grate it yourself. 8 tablespoons unsalted butter, room temperature. 1.5 cups all-purpose flour. 3/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon dry mustard. Optional cayenne pepper. I just have a little splash here. Feel free to add up to 1/4 teaspoon to add heat. Paprika is also optional, but I thought it would give it a nice flavor along with color, so it's going in. Mix until it creates a cohesive dough. It's not quite coming together that well, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of water. Feel free to do that as well. It's begun to come together. I'm turning it off. Lightly flour your surface. We're going to get the dough together and create a 16-inch log. So now we're going to roll it out into that 16 inches. Wrap your log in plastic wrap or in wax paper, and we're going to get this in the freezer for 30 minutes. Into the freezer for 30 minutes. It is out of the freezer and very cold. Excellent, just as we need it to be. Using a serrated knife, we're going to cut about 80 1.5 inch of these pennies. So I'm going to start by doing a little bit of math here. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just so I know where the halfway points are, and that should be halfway through. Okay, let's start cutting. Bake for 11 to 13 minutes until they're just about browning. Time's up, they're just beginning to brown. Let's take them out. Let them sit for about 3 minutes and then we'll move them to completely cool. Inspection time. Look at this. Look at this. It's about 80 of these cheese pennies, and all I can say is I am dying to try them. And of course, this is the first time I've ever made them, so let's try it together. First off, they are round. Yay me! Second off, they smell cheesy delicious. Third, they are crunchy. Let's taste. Wow. I didn't know I needed these in my life. I need these in my life, like every day. All I can tell you is it tastes like the most wonderful cheddar, goldfish-ish, but like higher level that you've ever tasted in your life. These are scrumptiously delicious. Forget the salsa that I mentioned. You just want to eat these on their own. They are that good. You know those cheese crisps you might get at a restaurant? This is kind of like They're that good. Oh my God, so good. If I can make these cheese pennies for the very first time with you, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram at Jen's Daily Dish and more.